Hey, this is Joe with the Fishing Caddy. We're going to show you how we clean our trout. There's a lot of different ways you can do it, but we're going to show you the way that we do it here at the Fishing Caddy. So first thing, kind of go down here to where the bottom is, and just kind of tilt your knife forward, peel that to the top. Be sure to watch your fingers. Then the fish have these two little spots here. I cut those up all the way to the top. Cut the other side as well. Make sure you get that to a fine point so that this goes all the way through, so your fish should look like that. Then you grab the inside of its mouth here. Make sure you're close so you can get all this, JJ. And I just peel it down like you peel an orange. So just kind of grab its head like this, peel it down. Get all that out of there. Roll down. Next part of this blood vein here, real important to get that out. Keep the fish from smelling well, tasting well rather. So what I do is I get you to grab it by its head once again here, and just take my finger and just rub it down the blood vein to get that out of there. Lay it open, kind of take your thumb, run it back through here a few times. The goal is to get all that blackness out of there, so that your fish tastes good when you cook it. Take your finger, just kind of rub that in there like that right there. You can obviously do this at the lake too. You don't have to do this at home. A lot of our wives prefer us to do this at the lake. So that pretty much is how you field dress it. I'm going to show you how we clean them here. Well, fillet them rather. So we'll stop the video here and we'll show you how we fillet our trout as well in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.